Here we go, something that comes from Shanghai, Tianxum Electronic Equipment. It's the metal detector bought on Amazon. What you get with this kit, what's included in the box, we are going to find out right now. So first of all, we notice that it has some seal over there, which is good because then that means the item is new and haven't been returned. So that's always a good sign. Now let's cut those seal. Once done, we are going to turn the boxes over and we reveal the brand of the metal detector, which is Quocher, I think, or Cheer, something like that. Anyway, let's open the box, find out what's inside. Oh, looks very nice actually. I like that already. Okay, so you have one of the arms here to extend the arm of your metal detector. Here's the detector itself, I mean the electronic body. It looks all nice, well built, battery compartments, and of course you remove this protective film before to use it, so that's good. Let's do it now so I don't forget it later. Alright, you peel it off, here we go. Now it looks nice and shiny, nice LCD screen display here. Anyway, put that on the side for now. Let's see what else in the box. The user manual, quite thick, but probably have a lot of languages. I already like when they have illustration like that. It helps you to understand better how this system works. So that's good. Yes, it's a different language, so not too much to read, so it's good for people who want to go straight to the point. Anyway, what else? Oh, look at that. They give you a nice storage or transportation bag. That's very good. I think I didn't expect that. I didn't saw that on the listing, so or maybe it was written, but I've completely passed it. So that's nice little touch. The bag to store it and carry it around. And then we have the handle that sits on your shoulder or back of your arm to ease the use of this metal detector. So looks very sturdy, nice, not cheapo plastic, so it's good. Then what else? We have some kind of cameo pouch, and inside the cameo pouch, oh, that's nice, look at that. They actually give you a mini shovel. So you have some mini shovel here. Once you just screw it there, like so. All right, and there you go. Once you find the object you want to dig, you have your little dig tool here. You can use that or this side or the shovel side. There you go. And now you can use the tool correctly. Everything is screwed, and now you have your little shovel pick tool right there. Very nice, very handy. All right, in this cameo pouch too. It's very nice. What else in the box? Okay, the next part of the arm, of course, it's all in kit, so you have to assemble everything. Some assemble required, not too complicated anyway, don't worry about it. And the last piece, but not the least, we do have, this is the head of the metal detector. That's the piece that will detect metal. I like the design of it, with this yellow color on the top there, so that you attach to the arm and then you connect this cable all the way. That's the connector right there. You connect it all the way to your electronic system. But that's pretty much it for the content of the box. That's it. So that's what's the content of the box from this nice metal detector. Now I'm going to assemble everything and go and test it. All right, after following the instruction manual and mounting the metal detector together, like you can see, it's all good to go. We go all mounted correctly. Now it's time to put the battery and go for the test. This metal detector requires two 9-volt batteries, so you need two of those, and then they are very simple to install. You just open the back of the detector like so, and then you install those batteries in each compartment right there. All right, battery number one. Here we go. And battery number 2. Be sure to respect the polarity. Normally you cannot plug in reverse, but you never know. Respect the polarity with the 9-volt battery. The small round contact go to the big one here, and the big to the small. Very easy, like so. All right, good to go here, and closing the door. All right, let's start with the basic, with some coins. So first 25 cents, 10 cents. Right now it's set up for all metal detection. So here we go with the coin over there. All right, do detect as coins. Okay, and silver coins. Let's do it again. 77, 76. All right. Now let's do with the penny. Here we go, we get the 63, 67 on the pennies. 64, all right. Okay, now we are going for silver. So I put over there a silver chain that I got for my birthday. So let's see how this metal detector handles silver. Yeah, right there. Good. At least it finds out it's something precious. All right, now with the random ring that I find using another metal detector, I don't believe it's silver, but let's see how this metal detector will react with the ring. So it's right there. It has some jewel in it and some metal. I still believe that it's a precious something. Here's the ring. For the last test we are going to use gold. So here is a gold chain with a cross with a diamond. So it's all gold. I believe the cross is gold too. The chain is definitely gold. Let's see how the metal detector handles gold. So again, it's set on detection of all metal. Sensitivity, it's on 3. Let's go see what the gold does. It detects something else here. We have some other metal there. Yeah, some crap metal on the floor, but let's go for the gold. No detection, no reaction whatsoever with the gold. Interesting. So this metal detector will go up to silver, but it will not detect gold, apparently. I'm very close to it. I mean, even with the setting on 3 on sensitivity, it should be able to detect it at this distance. This metal detector also have a function that I really like. It's the discriminating modes. That means you can select which metal you really want to get. So for example, I'm going to take discriminating mode now, and with the arrow I'm going to go and select I want minimum very good metal. See? So it's not going to react for anything under this rating. And now let's see how it performs. So let's go for the pennies. It doesn't detect the pennies. But now if I go on my silver chain, oh, it got all crazy over it. All right, crazy mode engaged. 80, yes, silver, no problem. Pennies, meh, perfect. Now let's see if I go to my ring. Yep. Oh, there is something there, definitely. All right. I also like the pinpoint option. So when you press this big button, it allows you to pinpoint, to know exactly where you have to dig to find the object that it just detected. For example, the ring is over there, but I don't know where it is exactly before to dig, so I press the pinpoint button, and now listen to the sound. It really reacts like crazy when it's on the top of the ring. It's very cool. So that's perfect to help you to find exactly with this pinpoint button where you have to dig. Very nice feature, I like it. Okay, here you go guys, that's all for this metal detector. It's very nice, nicely built, and as you saw, it detects without problem money, silver, random ring, probably made in silver with some diamond on it, but has some problem with my gold chain and cross over there. So here you go guys, hope you enjoyed this video. So far I'm very pleased with it, and now I think I'm going to take it on the spin on the beach. Let's go.